We now discuss the solution of a problem from the section Coordinate Geometry. The problem is related to the concepts of parabola. This question has appeared in the Joint Entrance Examination Main held on 27th June 2022 in the second shift. The given question is, if the equation of the parabola whose vertex is at the point 5, 4 and the directrix is 3x plus y minus 29 is equal to 0 is x square plus ay square plus bxy plus cx plus dy plus k is equal to 0, then a plus b plus c plus d plus k is equal to. We are given four options. Option A 575, option B minus 575, option C 576, option D minus 576. And if the equation of the parabola whose vertex is at 5, 4 and the directrix is 3x plus y minus 29 is equal to 0 is given to be x square plus ay square plus bxy plus cx plus dy plus k is equal to 0, then required to find the value of a plus b plus c plus d plus k. That is the given question to us. We now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. We are given a parabola, name it as capital P, with vertex V with coordinates 5, 4 and a directrix D with equation 3x plus y minus 29 is equal to 0. And it is well known for us that the axis of the parabola passes through the vertex V and its focus we call it as S, and that axis is perpendicular to the directrix D. So let's look at the diagram. This is your parabola. Its axis passes through the vertex V with coordinates 5, 4 and the focus S, and this axis is perpendicular to the directrix D. Right. Now let B h comma k be the foot of the perpendicular from V with coordinates 5, 4 on to the directrix D given by 3x plus y minus 29 is equal to 0. So we will find the foot of the perpendicular BHK. This is your BHK. What is this? BHK is the foot of the perpendicular from the vertex V of the parabola on to the directrix D. So we will now find out h comma k. Now to find the h comma k, we recall a result that we have studied in our geometry class, that is the foot of the perpendicular h comma k from the point x1 y1 to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is given by h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. In our case, h comma k is the foot of the perpendicular from the point that is the vertex v 5, 4. So x1 is 5, y1 is 4, and the line in our case is the directrix, which is given by 3x plus y minus 29 is equal to 0. So let's now Get into the formula and write down. Then h minus x1. x1 is 5 by a, the coefficient of x in the directrix, that is 3, and k minus 4, that is y1, by b, the coefficient of y in the directrix, that is 1, is equal to minus a 3 into 5 plus 1 into 4 minus 29 by 3 square plus 1 square. When you simplify this one, including the minus, you will get 1. Then h minus 5 by 3 is equal to 1 will imply h minus 5 is equal to 3 will imply h is equal to 8. And similarly, the k value can be found. So this will imply h is equal to 8 and k is equal to 5. Therefore, the coordinates of B are given by 8, 5. So the BHK is none other than B8, 5. So now with this much of information, you have to find the equation of this parabola in this form and find out the values of A, B, C, D, K and sum it up, then you will get your answer. So our concern is to obtain the equation of the parabola with this much of data. So with this data, we have found B 8, 5, the foot of the perpendicular from the vertex. Agreed. Further, it is known the vertex V is the midpoint of the line joining the focus S and the foot of the perpendicular B 8, 5. So use the midpoint formula. Let to find the coordinates of S, let A, B be the coordinates of the focus S. Then use the midpoint formula. A plus 8 by 2 is equal to 5. B plus 5 by 2 is equal to 4. So you will get A plus 8 by 2, B plus 5 by 2 is equal to 5, 4. So A plus 8 by 2 is equal to 5 will give you A is equal to 2. Similarly, the B value can be found out and B is equal to 3. So the coordinates of S have come. So S is equal to, the coordinates of S is 2, 3. Let us put it here, 2, 3. We continue in the next slide. Agreed. That's the diagram. Now recall. We now recall the definition of the parabola. It says the parabola is the locus of a point P, x, y, which moves such that its distance from the focus S is equal to PM, that is its distance from the directrix D. So it is the locus of a moving point P, x, y, which moves such that PS, the distance, is equal to PM, where PM is the distance of the point P from the directrix. Agreed. So this is PXY, the distance is PS, and its perpendicular distance on the directrix PM. So in the diagram, it shows PM is a little bit longer than PS, but it is equal. And anyway, you have to, therefore PS is equal to PM, squaring on both sides, PS square is equal to PM square. So PS square is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. And PM is the perpendicular distance from x, y on 3x plus y minus 29. So this is equal to 3x plus y minus 29 by under the square root of 3 square plus 1 square. That is the perpendicular distance. PM square is this one. So this is PS square. Simplify. So root of 3 square plus 1 square. So if you square it, it is 10 will come in the denominator. So this will be 10 times of x minus 2 whole square, x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y minus 3 whole square, y square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 3x plus y minus 29 whole square. We will use a plus b plus c whole square formula, and you will get 3x whole square 9x square plus y square plus 29 square, that is 841, and 2ab, that is 2 into 3x into y, 6xy, and 2 into 3x into minus 29 minus 174x, 2 into y into minus 29, that is minus 58y. Simplify. 10x square minus 9x square is x square. 10y square minus y square is 9y square. So likewise, we simplify it, we will get minus 6xy plus 134x minus 2y minus 711. That is the equation of the parabola. So the equation of the parabola is this one, and that is given to be, we are given the equation of the parabola is x square plus ay square plus bxy plus cx plus dy plus k is equal to 0. So on comparing, if you compare, a is equal to 9, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 134, d is equal to minus 2, k is equal to minus 711. Now what is that we want? We want a plus b plus c plus d plus k. So add all of them, then it will be 9 minus 6 plus 134 minus 2 minus 711. If you simplify, you will get minus 576. That is the answer, that is what is wanted. Let's look at our options. Our answer minus 576 appears against option D. Therefore, the answer to this question is option D. And that is the detailed discussion of the solution of the question, which is based on the concepts of parabola from the coordinate geometry. I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.